Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, still playing with the wireless remote, testing locomotives. In this case, I've got the Marx Mercury on the outside rail. And if you remember when I did the initial testing with the ammeter and the battery, this was drawing 2.4 amps. Now, this controller is rated at 300 watts, which is approximately 3 amps. So there shouldn't be any problem running any locomotive that I own. Anyway, turn on the power. This should run backwards. It does. Power off. Should run forwards. It does. And we have full control of the speed, as you see. So we can slow it down. Should be able to slow this down to a crawl. As you see. So this remote is working. No problem with the remote at all. A bit faster now. So there's no problem with the remote at all. It'll run virtually any locomotive I have. And I've got this set at approximately 50% power still. Nice thing about it is you can set the top speed on the transformer, so there's no risk of ever derailing the locomotive. So this is running really well, a bit faster. As you see. Slow it down. So no problem with this at all. Stop it there. Power on, it'll run backwards. Turn up the power a bit. There we go. Stop. Power on, it'll run forward. Slow it down. So it's running with no problem at all. This remote works. I've tested lots of locomotives in the last 24 hours. And we'll stop it here. As you can see, I have full control no matter where I am in the room. Power back on, it'll go reverse. Power off, and it'll go forward. There we go. We can slow it down over there. As you see, you can get this thing to go really slow. As you see. Alright, turn it up a bit. So it's been an interesting experiment. The nice thing about it, of course, is the fact that it works. This remote works with no problem at all. It'll control any locomotive I have. It is up and running. Let's stop it there. So, the remote works, no doubt about it. So $24.95, just a matter of finding them now. Amazon had them, Walmart had them, eBay had them. Now, no one has them for some reason. It has to be an importation issue. I mean, they are coming directly from China. It's the only thing I can think of. Anyway, it is up and running with no problem at all, as you see. And again, that soft start feature doesn't just turn the power on. It comes up slowly. And it remembers the settings, so you can turn this way down, turn it off. When you turn it back on, it's still at that original low setting, which is what you want. So let's slow this down, and we'll stop it right there. So, this remote works. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video testing lots of locomotives. So far, every single one of them has run flawlessly, including the ones with the electronic E-unit. So, just another in the series of doing tests on the new remote. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.